Mini cruises, also known as short cruises, have become an increasingly popular travel option for those seeking a quick getaway. Unlike traditional cruises that can last for weeks, mini cruises typically range from 2 to 5 days, offering travelers a brief yet enriching experience on the high seas. This guide aims to provide a comprehensive overview of mini cruises, exploring their benefits, pricing structures, and practical suggestions to help you choose and enjoy your next short cruise adventure. Benefits of mini cruises. 1.1 Cost-effective travel. Mini cruises offer an affordable way to enjoy the luxury and amenities of cruise travel without the high cost associated with longer voyages. Many cruise lines provide competitive pricing for shorter trips, making it accessible for budget-conscious travelers. Additionally, the all-inclusive nature of cruises means that accommodations, meals, and entertainment are bundled into one price, offering excellent value for money. 1.2 Time efficiency. One of the main advantages of mini cruises is their time efficiency. With trips lasting only a few days, travelers can experience multiple destinations and enjoy various onboard activities without committing to a long vacation. This makes mini cruises ideal for those with limited vacation time or those looking to add a quick escape to their busy schedules. 1.3 Ideal for short breaks. Mini cruises are perfect for quick getaways, whether it's a long weekend or a midweek break. They offer an opportunity to unwind and recharge without the need for extensive planning or long-haul travel. This makes them an attractive option for spontaneous trips or last-minute travel plans. 1.4 Variety of destinations. Despite their shorter duration, mini cruises often visit multiple destinations, providing a taste of different cultures and locations. From exploring the historic cities of Northern Europe to relaxing on Caribbean beaches, mini cruises offer diverse itineraries that cater to various interests and preferences. 1.5 Amenities and onboard activities. Modern cruise ships are equipped with a wide range of amenities and activities that cater to all age groups. From luxurious spas and fitness centers to theaters, casinos, and gourmet dining, mini cruises provide ample entertainment options. These onboard facilities ensure that travelers can enjoy their time at sea as much as the shore excursions. 1.6 Suitability for different travelers. Mini cruises are suitable for a wide range of travelers, including families, couples, solo adventurers, and groups of friends. Families can take advantage of kid-friendly activities and childcare services, while couples can enjoy romantic dinners and spa treatments. Solo travelers often appreciate the social aspects of cruising, with plenty of opportunities to meet new people. 1.7 Environmental impact and sustainability efforts. Many cruise lines are making strides in reducing their environmental impact through sustainable practices. From utilizing cleaner fuels to implementing waste reduction programs, the cruise industry is increasingly focusing on sustainability. This makes many cruises an appealing choice for eco-conscious travelers looking to minimize their carbon footprint. Prices of mini cruises. 2.1 Factors affecting prices. The cost of mini cruises can vary significantly based on several factors, including seasonality. Prices tend to be higher during peak travel seasons, such as summer and holiday periods. Traveling during the shoulder seasons can often result in better deals. Destination and route. Some destinations are more expensive than others. Cruises to popular locations like the Mediterranean or the Caribbean may be pricier than those to less frequented areas. Duration of the cruise. Generally, the longer the cruise, the higher the cost. However, many cruises offer a budget-friendly alternative to longer voyages. Type of cabin. The type of accommodation you choose can greatly impact the price. Inside cabins are the most economical, while ocean view, balcony, and suite cabins come at a premium. Onboard services and amenities. Additional services such as specialty dining, spa treatments, and excursions can add to the overall cost of the cruise. 2.2 Price range overview. Mini cruises are available at various price points, catering to different budgets and preferences. Budget mini cruises. These are often offered by mainstream cruise lines and include basic accommodations and amenities. Prices can start as low as $100 per person for a 2-night cruise. Mid-range mini cruises. These cruises offer a balance of affordability and comfort, with more extensive amenities and better cabin options. Prices typically range from $300 to $700 per person. Luxury mini cruises. Luxury cruise lines provide top-notch services, gourmet dining, and spacious accommodations. Prices for luxury mini cruises can start at $1,000 per person and go up from there. 2.3 Additional costs to consider. When budgeting for a mini cruise, it's important to consider additional costs that may not be included in the base price. Excursions. Shore excursions can enhance your experience but come at an extra cost. It's worth researching and budgeting for these activities in advance. Dining and beverage packages. While many meals are included, specialty dining and alcoholic beverages often incur additional charges. Cruise lines offer various dining and beverage packages to cater to different preferences. Gratuities and service charges. Many cruise lines automatically add gratuities to your bill, which can range from $10 to $20 per person per day. It's important to factor these charges into your overall budget. Travel insurance. Purchasing travel insurance is recommended to cover unexpected events such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost luggage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.